So interlock fingers together. First move is to open up the chest, open up the shoulders. Try to lock out the arms. And if you can lock out the arms, then the next move is to come into a forward fold. If you can lock out the arms, the second move here is to come into a forward fold, bending your knees and resting your stomach, your legs. Let's go ahead and come back up. Grab the hands onto the top. Interlace the fingers together again. Come into a side bend. Just reach into the side. Come back to the top. Let's reach to the other side. And come back to the top. Back bend. Come back to the center. Now forward fold. Standing up. Grabbing onto the back of the calves, back of the ankles. Focus on getting your stomach to your thighs first by bending your knees. And then once your stomach is touching your thighs, then lock out the knees. And hands behind, grab onto elbows. Lift up the chest, the rib cage, and pull the elbow downwards, stretching out the triceps and part of the lats. And switch elbows. Grab the other one, do the same. Now let's bring the arm across the front. Grab onto the elbow and the arm. Pull the arm across the collarbone. Let's go ahead and do the other side. And with this move here, if you go lower, you start to stretch more on the chest. If you go a little higher, you stretch more on your shoulders. If you see, if I go really high, like I'm about to try to choke myself here, I'm stretching more of the shoulders, compressing it together. Now, if I come lower, like I'm coming across my chest, this now is more of compressing the chest muscle together. So it's the same move, it's just depending on where you want to place your arm. Most of the time I place it somewhere around the middle, but it's up to you on what part you feel the most. If you got sore shoulders, you maybe place a little bit higher. If your chest needs a little bit of massage, you place a little bit lower. Okay. Now let's go ahead and sit onto the ground. Forward fold. Try to get your head as close to your feet as you can. Try to inch your way towards your foot. What this does is naturally start to get your stomach to reach towards your thighs. Okay, let's come back up. Pancake split. Right leg stretch. Left leg stretch. Side bend to the right. Side bend to the left. Right leg pigeon stretch. Left leg pigeon stretch. Lying spinal twist. Other side, lying spinal twist. Double knee to chest. Shavasana. Plow pose. And back to Shavasana.